A warm welcome to each and everyone to my channel. It's Udita and you are watching Udita's Classroom. Today I am here for sharing a really interesting videos about the job openings which is published for Ola Cab. Yes guys, Ola is a very popular and well-known apps for their transport purpose. And Ola Cab has published the job vacancy for the post of telecaller agent. So here we are sharing some informations in details. Discussion is going on this episode about the job role, the salary structure, the posting location, that means the job locations, and who can apply, eligibility criteria, and then we are coming here about how to apply. The link will be provided here, and as well as at the end of the video I am sharing some interview questions that must be helpful to each and everyone who are interested about this job. So here about the job role, that is what would be your job profile, what would be your purpose about this job. In case of eligibility criteria, which qualifications, which skill, and if there is any experience if required, all of these things are going to be discussed in eligibility criteria. Salary structure, that is pay scale structure, and the job locations from where you can apply and in what location they will prefer. All of the things are discussed in this video in details. So if you are interested, then see this video till the end and don't skip this video. Hi, this is Udita. You are watching Udita's Classroom. If you like my content and want to more updates, job informations, and as well as online money earning goals and online money earning strategies, then stay tuned by subscribe my channel and click the bell icon so that you never miss the updates from Udita's Classroom. And one thing is that I am also sharing some writing tips and tricks, some content writing, blogging, freelancing, article, and academic writer career. So today's new episode with the new job informations. Let's begin. So guys, first topic that I will discuss here about the job description. To award the client for the insurance that provided by the Ola Cab, you have to sell the insurance to the client. Ola company will provide you some leads and you have to call them to aware about the insurance and mostly convince them to buy their product, buy their services, buy the insurance. So you have to completely sell the insurance and to clear all of their queries which will asked by any clients. Now next move on the salary structure. Here mentioned that about 3 lakhs to 5 lakhs per annum they will pay, and where intensive is also provided here according your target, according your performance. Move on to the location. This is fully Bangalore based job location, Bangalore based job openings is coming here. If you are in this city or around the Bangalore, you will definitely apply for this job. And now talk about the eligibility criteria. The first and foremost thing that you must have the clear communication skills, because you have to conduct with the clients, you have to handle the clients, you have to manage them, and also you have to convince them to buy their product. So mostly excellent communication skill you must have. And if you are graduate in any discipline, either you are science graduate, either you are arts graduate or commerce in or you must your technology, that is BE or BTech have done, you also apply for this type of job, but you should be graduate in any discipline. And one thing is that you must have 6 months experience in any sale department. Okay, now talk about some interview questions, guys. Now in these interview questions I am clearing here that there is 2 parts. Maybe here the interview questions is classified here the 2 types. First type, that is to understand your communication skill. They will ask you about yourself, about your family, about your background, educational background, about your hobbies, about your skills. That is, what skill do you need to handle some people. One thing is that how to convince your parents for holiday, or how to convince the client to buy this product like this. And also they will ask how to utilize your lockdown period, what hobby you like most, like this type of questions, from where they can understand your communication skills. And the part 2, where to understand your interest about the company, so you have to check the total background of Ola company. Okay, you have to understand the Ola, from where it should be going on, about the Ola, what is the purpose of Ola cab, what you are interested about this Ola job, and list some product and services of Ola cab that will provide you. Like this type of questions they will ask in the interview sessions. And all the best guys. If you are interested, then I will mention the link in my description box, and go and check and apply for this particular job. And like my contents, then do like, share and subscribe my channel. Be the part of Udita's classroom. So this is for today guys. Hopefully this video is helpful, and I will come with the next episode with the new informative type videos. Till then, thanks for watching guys. Take care. Goodbye.